guys, Derek here. Okay, so it's that time again where the EU mystery box comes in. Got mine today. As you can see, it's already been Christmasly wrapped, but I'm going to open up now. Also, let's just say now, whoever... these are gone out to everyone who's obviously ordered one. Now, one of them, one special one, has got a Hermes, not this Hermes, these are the people who carried it, but a Hermes E3D extruder in there. If you've watched some of Scolder's videos, you would see that he opened it up and showed people it. So someone very lucky has got one. Now I'm going to open this up. All the links for this will be down below. Let's just take off the wrapping. I know, don't cut towards yourself. Okay, so unwrapping done. Slice here, and slice along here. Okay, let's open it up, see what we've got for December. Okay, so here we go. We have... Okay, so the accessory is from Brithawkes 3D. Kora. Let me just have a quick closely look at this. This is it says accessory and project. So let me have a quick read, one sec. Right, okay, so the accessory is some sort of adhesive that I can put on the printer bed, and the project is a Christmas tree designed by Brithawkes, and it also has the LED lights in, so that's pretty cool. So let's have a look at the filament samples. Let's have a look here. We have the neon pink, got quite a nice shine to that. Neon green, and we have got crystal blue PETG. Oh, that don't look like crystal blue. To me it looks like crystal grey. Don't know. Anyway, let's have a look for fruit here. Haribos. Right, let's have a look. We have got Ret Pet 3D, so it's recycled 3D PET G filament, light grey. Let's have a look at this. That says light grey blue. Oh, that says grey blue. My mistake. So we've got light grey PETG to try. This is recycled. The URL code is there if you want to scan it and go to the website. Okay, so next filament we've got, sorry about that, my battery died on my camera, so I've just swapped it out. We've got some Filamentive PLA matte gloss grey. Okay, so there's the QR code if you want to scan that. It is recommended print temperature 205, and it can be printed without, but if you have one we recommend 50 to 60 on the bed. Ooh, check it out. This is the neon pink. Right, that looks red on there, but it's definitely pink. Crystallized pink as well. Transparent pink. So it's CPE. Okay, let's have a closer look at this. See what it says. You can't read it, so allow me 1 sec.
2 hours later.
Okay, so this is made from recycled PETG again. So it's PET temperatures once again, so that'd be like, what was it, about two, hold on, PETG, we're looking at roughly what, 230-ish on the nozzle, 80 on the bed. We got some Prusa research. PETG neon green transparent. Now obviously I can read this a little bit better. We have nozzle temperature 250, bed temperature of 80 degrees, print speed up to 200. Nah, I don't know. I'll give that a miss and just print it like at a nice slow rate and see how that goes. Okay, so in here we have the Formula 3D Specialist 3D model to 3D build plates adhesive. Right, I will give that a go, and we've got the lights. It says bright big house lights on there, so obviously a little battery in there, little switch. Awesome. Oh, and there's the last part, which is, it says mossy, last filament sample. So obviously we've got the lights for the Christmas tree. We have the bed adhesive. We have the neon green transparent PETG from Prusa. We have neon pink transparent, which is filamentive, and that's CPE, so that's obviously another PETG temp. We have some PLA Matty from filamentive, and we've got some Pet 3D recycled PETG filament light grey. We've also got Haribos, and we've got the sticker, which obviously tells you about the bed adhesive and the project from Brithawkes 3DP. Here's my unboxing and opening and a look at the EU 3D mystery box from Skoda. These are priced at £30 British plus £5 shipping. I will leave all the codes and all the links down below. All the QR codes, all you've got to do is just pause the video and scan it with your phone. That will take you to the website with some more details. Whoever the lucky winner is, congratulations on that epic prize. That epic prize was valued at over nearly £100. I think it was over £100 in the end. So congratulations to whoever won that. If I don't do a video before Christmas, have a good one and be yourselves. See you later. Bye.